A very useful technique in Photoshop, and really in almost every Adobe app, is to set up a custom workspace. Let me show you where that is. Window, Workspace. Now I have several here. And then there's this line. That line means something. It's not an accident. It's not just a piece of lint that happened to fall on your floor. No, Adobe's programmers built that, stuck that in there. It means something. Above that line are your saved workspaces. Well, actually, in this case, they're my saved workspaces. But below that line are the workspaces that were gifts from Adobe. They gave you these: Essentials, 3D, Motion, so on. I'm going to choose Photography. And what it just did, but you didn't see anything change, is it set all my panels and palette and tool locations to this set of locations. That's what the workspaces do. They'll allow you to move panels around and resave them, or snap 2 or 3 or more panels together and save that as a workspace. Let me show you what it looks like. I start with one of Adobe's gifts, one of their workspaces, right? And then I bust them apart. Swatches, Navigator. I'm grabbing the names, the words on those tabs. I'm not grabbing above those tabs. I'm grabbing the words of those tabs, and that's how you bust them out. All right. Now some of these little things I can't quite even figure out. Oh, history. What is that? I'm going to open it and then pull out history. Anyway, you get the idea. You can do that at will. Navigator. I don't like it. I'm going to just close it. I click the little X in the upper left. History. I don't need it yet. I'm going to click that little X in the upper left. It's gone. But layers, can't live without them. Gosh, it seems kind of short. Let me make it a little long of a grief there. Channels panel, paths panel, and so on. You get the idea. Okay, now watch this. When I grab the word swatches and I move near another panel, look for blue glue. There it is. When you see that blue, it's glue. Trust me, that's glue. That means something. If you let go right now, it's going to glue it to the side of the layers panel. Oh, I'm not going to let go then. I'm going to keep dragging. Oh, blue glue, blue glue, blue glue, blue glue. Now, most of these glues are in either horizontal or vertical lines individually, but there's a spot when you go and you see a big box, and that's saying if you drop it now, I'll blue glue it as an extra partner in the panel tabs. Pull it out, stick it on the bottom. That's called docking. I've now docked it or blue glued it to the bottom, and now swatches, you see, would travel with layers, and brushes would travel with swatches. I waited for blue glue, and paths should be docked between the two. You get the idea. Channels are pretty important, but I want to see them at the same time as I see my layers. So there it is. So I've got one giant panel here. Be cautious. You can grab that panel and pull it out by accident. But now I'm blue gluing it over to the other side. You see, so if you grab the names of the panels, they separate. But if you grab the tops of the panels, they'll all move as a giant unit. When you're happy, if you're happy, go to Window, Workspace, and save it. This is how Adobe spells save this particular workspace. New workspace. I'm going to give it a silly name. Ricky. Do you want to save your keyboard shortcuts with this as well? What keyboard shortcuts? You can make custom keyboard shortcuts under the Edit menu. Keyboard shortcuts. And if you do, you're saving those shortcuts in with this workspace as well. But at least my menu items and my toolbars, sure, that sounds good to me. Save it. And then if you decide you want to make a change, I just pulled paths out, I trash it, I've just made a change to Ricky, my new workspace, and I want to update it. Under Window Workspace, here's how Adobe spells update. It's the same thing. Don't do reset, do new workspace, and give it exactly the same name you did before, Ricky. Whatever changes you want to keep it or make, and when you do that, it says, hey, you've already got a Ricky. You want to replace it? I do. And that's how you update it. So you start with a workspace, and then as you decide you want to add new panels that are your favorites, you can update that. That's Window Workspace. I use several for different kinds of projects. This is my favorite setup when I'm on a projector. Here's my favorite setup when I'm cloning. Here's my favorite setup when I'm at my company. Here's my favorite setup all the live long day. I'm so lazy, I don't even type Ricky. I type Rix, R-I-X. Rick's favorite work. And there you go.